heart of North Kivu province, in the Democratic Republic of Congo, lies the Babumbu forest, a sanctuary of life rich in biodiversity, resources, and cultural heritage. But this green lung of Africa is in danger. Illegal exploitation, deforestation, insecurity, and climate change threaten to erase this invaluable ecosystem. What if technology, science, and community leadership could join forces to reverse this path? Welcome to IDEPROCONA, digital innovation in ecosystems for nature protection and conservation, a bold vision by INITIAM-NGO to merge conservation, technology, and sustainable development into one integrated solution. IDEPROCONA is not just a project, it's a movement, a strategic effort to protect natural ecosystems while unlocking lasting, eco-responsible development for surrounding communities. Through IDEPROCONA, INITIAM seeks to make the Babumbu forest a beacon of responsible environmental governance and climate resilience in Central Africa. The Babumbu region holds enormous natural wealth, giant redwoods, rare species, and highly valuable minerals, coltan, gold, monazite, tungsten, and more. Yet, this treasure is under constant pressure from armed conflict, displacement, poverty, and environmental collapse. IDEPROCONA is a coordinated response to this intertwined crisis. IDEPROCONA's strength lies in its multi-pillar strategy built to create synergy across sectors. Number 1. Real-time ecological monitoring, use of drones, smart cameras, and remote sensors to detect and prevent forest degradation. Number 2. Data-driven ecosystem intelligence, collection and analysis of GPS, remote sensing, and satellite data to model biodiversity and map natural resources. Number 3. Environmental education and awareness, community campaigns, youth workshops, and eco-leadership programs to embed a culture of conservation. Number 4. Green economy development, supporting ecotourism, agroforestry, alternative livelihoods to reduce harmful exploitation. Number 5. Public-private government collaboration, strengthening legal frameworks in partnering with responsible institutions for long-term impact. IDEPROCONA is community-centered. From design to implementation, local leaders, women, youth, traditional authorities are involved in every step. The project promotes capacity building and ownership so the solutions endure even after external actors leave. Powered by INITIAM's technical department, the project introduces cutting-edge tools including 1. A mobile data collection app, 2. Advanced data modeling and GIS maps, 3. VCAT networks for real-time connectivity in remote zones, 4. Community-based early warning systems for threats and illegal activity. IDEPROCONA is already on the ground, teams are mobilized, systems are being installed, and the forest is being heard again. But to reach its full potential, the project needs you, funders, innovators, government, NGO, media, researchers, and global citizens. Supporting IDEPROCONA means investing in impact, resilience, and the future of our region. Together, let's make nature conservation a symbol of what's possible when technology, communities, and nature unite.